In this video, I will show you how to connect Jira to Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools and options are located. On the left side, pop out your menu list and navigate to the plus button at the very bottom part of the list. A pop-up will then appear showing different tools and marketplace options you can explore. Go to the search bar at the top and type Jira. From the suggestions below, click on the Jira add-on. You will then be redirected to another tab where you can learn more about the integration. Click on Get It Now and follow the prompts to start the installation. To complete the setup, you will be asked to log into your Jira and Miro accounts to allow access and connect the two platforms. And once done, your Jira is now successfully connected to your Miro workspace. And that's how to connect Jira to Miro.